It's not too late, there's still time to change yourself, to replace yourself, to teach yourself. It's not too late, there's still time to change yourself, to replace yourself, to teach yourself. Mika don't know anything, only chasing fun, forgetting about parents. We only know how to hurt our own pride. Money before love, that's why we're broken inside. Young or old, it don't even matter. If you're Hmong Mika, there's no helping ladder. We can't even finish school, no diploma, but a house full of kids, still fools. Mom and dad still breathing, so kids don't care. Sons don't know how to lead their wives fair. Wives want it their way, eat and drink all day, but don't even lift a hand to wash plates. Always waiting to be asked to help, no shame felt, no pride left. Sons of law worse, they don't even attend family events, they pretend to forget. Calls for help always met with no, that's why elders' hearts feel low. Me and you Hmong don't even speak more, that's how you know something went wrong. This right here feels like the end of Hmong Mika if we don't bend. Love means helping one another, not hating each other over money and color. This world keeps getting darker each day, we won't see light if hearts stay gray. Even if we beg elders to forgive, they probably won't look how we live. We don't care about the poor or the weak, our brothers locked up, we don't even speak. Kids only learn once punishment hits, that's not how life's supposed to be lived. By the time we think it's already late, reality pins you down, checkmate. We don't know where to start or how to move, because we never listen to elders' truth. Women say they working late, chasing fun, but the truth stays hidden till damage is done. Cheaters come home calling honey babe, but don't even know how to say cozy. If I could turn back time, I swear I would. Back to when I first learned words and good, but this time I make this clear, I will not convert to Hmong Mika here.
It's not too late, there's still time to change yourself, to replace yourself, to teach yourself, to teach yourself. It's not too late, there's still time to change yourself, to replace yourself, to teach yourself, to teach yourself.
Yeah, zeros on the beat. One day we'll wake up and everyone's gone. Parents turning their names on stone. Then we'll ask why no one taught us right, but the truth is we ignored the light. Culture fading right in our hands, language dying while we make plans. We laugh it off, say it's not that deep, till there's nothing left for our kids to keep. We dress them on but don't live the ways, only show up for food and praise. We want respect but won't give it back, that's how people lose their track. Come on, you can listen, this ain't hate, this is love trying to change our fate. If we don't fix what's broken inside, our children won't know why we cry. When elders speak, don't roll your eyes, that wisdom cost them blood and time. If we don't stand up, start today, there'll be no